Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a tour of this room that I'm currently in right now. So for those of you who don't know, I'm actually moved in with my best friend and her parents for the summer to fall time while all this kind of corona stuff is happening, and then I will be hopefully moving to New York City after that happens and is over and I'm able to get a job and make some money. Today I'm just going to show you our room, so let's jump right into it. This is our front door of our room, and this is kind of a general overview when you walk in. I will start over here. So this is our door. Hi. We just have this on the back and it says "You are beautiful," and we just like that as a reminder. I am sick, so I do apologize for any coughing or anything. I don't have the corona, but I am sick. Just have some hooks on the back of our door. And then over here is our closet. And I will open this up for you, but it is not the most attractive thing. So we have a rack in there because both of us have a lot of clothes and we can't really fit all of them. It's very stuffed. We organized it the best we could, but... So then over here is our little side table. We have a lot of plants, and this is our kind of seating area. We have a collection of Funko Pops. These are really wonderful. And the TV, and yeah, this is just kind of our hangout little nook. There's some blankets, some games in there, some fun stuff in that one. And then over here is my best friend and roommate's desk. And then we have my record player over here. This is our desk. And then this plant holder thing as well. And then my desk. So this is my side of this area. And we have another window. Then this is my best friend's side. And yeah, that's really it. I'll give you one more pan, but that is about the whole room. Alright, so that is it. That is the entire room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. If you haven't already, you can check out my previous video on this side of the screen and my previous vlog on that side of the screen. I will be posting a moving vlog talking about the process of moving all my stuff, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.